Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best gymnastics mats is probably one of the most crucial investments for anyone serious about their tumbling, yoga, or home workouts, providing essential cushioning and support to protect your body during high-impact routines and intricate floor exercises, ensuring both safety and comfort as you push your limits and perfect your form without the worry of hard landings. Number 5. BalanceFrom 6x2 Folding Gymnastics Mat. This 3-panel folding mat is perfect for a wide range of activities. It provides a safer, cushioned surface for gymnastics, yoga, Pilates, and martial arts. Enjoy superior comfort with its 1.5 inches of thick padding. This cushions your knees, back, and joints during any exercise. Its double-sided vinyl cover resists moisture and is simple to wipe clean. The textured finish ensures it stays stable and secure on any indoor floor. With hook and loop edges, you can easily connect multiple mats. This allows you to expand your workout area as needed. It features built-in handles and weighs only 3 pounds, making it incredibly easy to transport. Store it in a closet, take it to the gym, or move it around your home effortlessly. What we like? This mat offers exceptional versatility for various workouts and is incredibly easy to transport. Its lightweight design and built-in handles make it perfect for on-the-go fitness. If you are looking for a mat that can adapt to multiple exercise types and travel with you effortlessly, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. NewMe Fitness Yoga Mat. Experience ultimate comfort and support with this mat. It's 5 mm thick and generously sized at 24 by 68 inches, providing ample room for every move. No more distractions from your phone. This mat features 70 easy-to-follow yoga poses directly printed on its surface, guiding you through every practice. Crafted from a special BPA-free and phthalate-free PVC, it ensures a safe practice. Its moisture-wicking properties make it perfect even for hot yoga sessions. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting, this wide mat is designed for you. It helps eliminate guesswork, allowing you to focus on correct form. Looking for a thoughtful present? This mat is a dream gift for anyone seeking a path to better living and healthier bodies. It's perfect for loved ones or as a self-care treat. What we like? This yoga mat stands out with its unique feature of 70 printed yoga poses directly on the surface. It's designed to guide you through your practice, making it ideal for learning and improving form. If you are a beginner or someone who appreciates visual guidance during your yoga sessions, this mat will be your perfect companion. What people say. Number 3. Stamina Fold to Fit Folding Equipment Mat. Don't let your home workouts damage your beautiful floors. This mat is specifically designed to shield your carpets and hard surfaces from heavy exercise equipment. Simply place it under your stationary bikes, treadmills, or ellipticals. It creates a durable barrier, ensuring your floors remain pristine and protected. Its textured, non-slip pebble surface keeps your equipment stable during intense sessions. Plus, cleaning it is a breeze, maintaining a hygienic workout space. Measuring 3 feet wide by 7 feet long, it's compatible with a wide range of exercise gear. From rowers to Pilates reformers, it provides reliable support. Crafted from 1/4-inch thick closed-cell foam, it offers excellent cushioning and durability. Its unique fold-to-fit design makes storage and setup incredibly convenient. What we like? Designed specifically to protect your floors, this mat is perfect for placing under heavy exercise equipment. Its durable, non-slip surface ensures your machines stay in place while safeguarding your carpet or hard floors. If you have home gym equipment like treadmills or ellipticals and want to prevent damage to your flooring, this mat is a must-have. What people say. Number 2. Best Choice Products 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. This mat is built to last with sturdy construction and high-tensile thread stitching. Its easy to clean, water-resistant faux leather surface ensures it stays in great condition. Designed for convenience, it features a 4-fold design that compacts easily. Built-in handles make it simple to carry and store away when not in use. Experience superior comfort and protection with its 2-inch thick, high-density EPE foam cushioning. This provides ample support, resists flattening, and effectively absorbs falls and impacts during your practice. With convenient built-in side handles, carrying this mat to and from practice or moving it between rooms is a breeze. It truly enhances its portability. Need more space? Its hook and loop fasteners allow you to seamlessly connect it to other mats. This feature expands your cushioned area for a larger, more versatile workout space. What we like. This gym mat provides a generous 2-inch thickness, offering superior cushioning for high-impact activities. Its expandable design allows you to connect multiple mats, creating a larger, safer workout area. If you are involved in gymnastics, tumbling, or need extensive padded space for dynamic movements, this mat delivers excellent support and flexibility. What people say. Number 1. Best Choice Products 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. This mat is built to last with strong, high-tensile thread stitching. Its easy to clean, water-resistant faux leather surface ensures durability and simple maintenance. Its clever 4-fold design allows it to compact quickly. This feature, combined with built-in handles, makes carrying and storing it incredibly convenient. Enjoy superior comfort and protection with its 2-inch thick EPE foam. This high-density cushioning absorbs falls and impacts, resisting flattening during practice. Integrated side handles ensure effortless transport. You can easily move it between rooms or to and from your practice sessions without hassle. Need more space? Hook and loop fasteners let you connect multiple mats seamlessly. This creates a larger, continuous cushioned area for all your exercises. What we like. Featuring high-density foam and a durable, water-resistant surface, this mat is built for consistent, rigorous use. Its convenient folding design and built-in handles make it incredibly easy to transport and store after your sessions. If you need a robust, long-lasting mat that can be easily moved and stored for your daily fitness routine, this option is highly practical. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.